In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to pin WhatsApp channel. So let's get started. Okay, the first thing is that you simply need to log into your WhatsApp account. So once you're there, you click on all status. So after which you are going to see the various channels in which you want to pin. So let's say we want to pin Riam Madrid. You simply highlight on it and hold it, and what you are going to see pin here for Android. Okay, but for iPhone you simply need to swap on one direction, like you swap like this. For iPhone is we are going to see the pin option. From then you are going to pin. So if you want to unpin it, you simply need to highlight it again and click on what unpin. So guys, that's actually the way you pin and unpin WhatsApp channel on your WhatsApp account. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section below. If you face any difficulty doing this, we love you all. See you in our next video. Peace out.